Hi, my name is Julian Huérfano, and today I am going to answer a question for a student. But before that, I need to say that I prepared this class for teenagers. So if I wanted to teach this to children, I'd have to adjust it. The question is, how is the passive voice used and what for? To answer this question, I think first we need to remember that there is the passive voice and there is the contrary. What is the contrary? That's right, the active voice. Also, we need to remember that subjects can do or receive actions. So in the active voice, do they do or receive the action? That's right, they do the actions. That means that in the passive voice, they receive the action. So let's see this in an example. We have these two images, and below we have two sentences to complete. Help me with the first one, please. Thank you. The kid drops the pen. Very good. What about the second one? Very nice. The pen is dropped by the kid. So I have some questions for you to confirm that you understand. Does the subject do the action in the first sentence? Very good. Yes, it does. So is that sentence the active or the passive voice? That's correct. This is the active voice. In the second one, the pen receives the action, so it is the passive voice. Now, is the verb to be always in the present tense when I make a sentence in the passive voice? What do you think? You say yes? Okay. We will confirm if this is true or not with these examples. So we have some uses for the passive voice. First one, scientific writing or formal writing. The honeybees were kept in a humidified chamber at room temperature overnight. What is the passive voice there? Right, were kept. Very good. The second use is to hide blame or responsibility or just to omit information. Let's transform this sentence into the passive voice. I submitted the paper late. Very nice. The paper was submitted late. Okay. Now, again, is the verb to be in these two sentences in the present tense? It's not. Very good. It's in past. So as a conclusion, the verb to be is conjugated in the same tense as the original active voice sentence. The other verb is always the same, a verb conjugated in past participle. We have these other examples for you to work on them on your own. Now let's transform this sentence into the passive voice. Somebody stole a baby at a hospital. Very nice. A baby was stolen at a hospital. That is a very good example, but it's also pretty normal to see in newspaper headlines and the news in general terms something like this: baby stolen at hospital. That is completely normal, completely natural, and you can use it when you're talking about news. So as a general conclusion, the passive voice emphasizes who or what receives the action, not who or what does the action. And second, the structure is very simple: subject plus the verb to be plus the verb in past participle plus the complement. And that's all. Thank you very much.